think your processing cost is just transaction fees? For supplement sellers, the real cost includes declines, chargebacks, and gateway fees, and those can quietly eat into your profit. Here's a quick way to see the full picture. I have pre-filled a simple sheet. Just enter your numbers and use the sum function to get your total monthly cost. Most supplement businesses only calculate basic fees, but every decline or chargeback adds hidden costs that affect your margins. This quick sheet helps you estimate them manually, but it cannot show the full story. That's where EasyPay Direct helps. They monitor your declines and chargebacks in real time, so you can spot where you're losing revenue and recover more payments. According to their FAQ, nutraceutical merchant accounts are built for supplement and health brands that need extra stability, so you are protected even in high-risk categories. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out and see how much you could be saving with better decline monitoring. Understanding your real processing cost is the first step to keeping more of what you earn. Try this quick sheet, then visit the EasyPay Direct link in the description to track your payments more accurately and keep your supplement business running smoothly.